In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Discover credit card online step by step. Before we start, make sure you have your Discover card handy and know the last four digits of your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. You'll also want a secure internet connection. Avoid public Wi-Fi when entering sensitive information. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Activate Discover Credit Card. In the results, look for the official Discover site. The activation page lives on Discover's own domain, so the address should start with HTTPS and include discover.com. You can also type the official activation address directly if you're more comfortable. Steer clear of lookalike links or ads that don't go to Discover's domain. On the first screen, you'll be asked for your card number. Carefully type the full card number exactly as it appears on the front of your card. Don't worry about spaces or dashes. Most forms handle that automatically. Take a moment to review the digits before moving on. If your browser offers to save this information, decline, especially on shared or work devices. Next, enter the last four digits of your SSN or ITIN. This quick check verifies your identity and helps protect your account. Make sure you enter only the last four digits, not the full number. If you manage multiple accounts, confirm you're using the details that match this cardholder profile. Once both fields are filled in, click Continue. The site will process your information for a moment. You might see a brief loading indicator. That's normal. Avoid refreshing the page or hitting the back button while it's working, as that can interrupt the verification. If your session times out, simply reopen the activation page and try again. When verification completes, you'll see an option to activate card. Click Activate Card to finish. After a few seconds, you should see a confirmation message indicating your card is successfully activated. At that point, your card is ready for use in stores and online, subject to your available credit and account status. A few quick tips before you go. If you encounter an error, re-enter your card number and the last four digits carefully, then try again. Double check that the web address includes discover.com and that the connection shows a lock icon. If issues persist, visit the help section on Discover's website or use the customer support options listed on the back of your card. When you're done, sign out. If you logged in, close the tab and avoid leaving sensitive pages open. That's all it takes to activate your Discover credit card online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete activation confidently and securely.